everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Cook With Me. You'll have to excuse my voice today. I've been a little under the weather. I guess a fall cold, you might call it. But I wanted to get this video up and running. So we're going to be doing the last of our crock-pot series today. We'll be doing probably more crock-pots later in the year because it's the season for crock-pot meals. But for right now, this is the last one. And this one is going to be a dessert. We haven't done a dessert yet, so I thought I would put one in the crock-pot for you. And this dessert is called, just one second, I forgot my recipe. I don't want to give you the incorrect title. Tropical Slow Cooker Dump Cake. So I'm going to put it together in the crock pot and we'll have a good, nice dump cake dessert for later in the day. Give me a second, I'll bring it down to the crock pot. Okay, we're down here at the crock pot and I'm going to start with a can of cherry pie filling. And I'm using a no sugar added cherry pie filling. Use whatever brand you like. I'll put that on the bottom. Now I have my liner in here. I don't know if you really need to. If you don't have a liner in here, you'd need to spray with your food spray because this will get sticky. So they're going to put the next thing I have to go in is some canned pitted cherries. So we'll put those in. And they have been drained. Now, and half of a can of drained pineapple tidbits. Okay. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of cinnamon and sprinkle that over. And now I have a yellow cake mix and I am using a keto-friendly, or you can use a sugar-free if you're making this recipe. This is a Weight Watchers friendly recipe. If you're not interested in whether it's that or not, use any kind of yellow cake mix you like. Sorry, my scissors are on the other side. And I'm just going to sprinkle this all over the top. And my crock pot is on high. Now I'm going to add the rest of my pineapple. And I've got just a little juice I'm going to put there, but not much. And a little bit more cinnamon. And the last ingredient, I have 3 tablespoons of a butter substitute. Mine is, I can't believe it's not butter. And that's it. We're going to put the top on this and cook it for 1 hour on high, and then we'll come back. We have to do a little stirring around. So I'll see you back in about an hour. Okay, it has been an hour, and now what we're supposed to do is just kind of run a fork through, not mixing it together. Just run a fork through a little bit. You see, this is not going to make a cake per se, like some dump cakes do. It's going to be more like a crumble. So we're just kind of breaking up the cake a little bit. Now I'm going to take a couple of paper towels and put that over it, and then put the cover back on. And that is to help from the liquids draining back down into the cake, which will make it wet. And this is going to cook for another 1.5 to 2 hours. It's ready when the fruit is bubbly on the sides and the topping is no longer wet, but like a streusel or a crumble. Now it won't get brown, but we'll be back again in another couple of hours and see what we get with our tropical slow cooker dump cake. See you in a bit. Okay, I'm going to call this done. And you can see these towels are soaking wet, but it's boiling around the edges, and it looks delicious, doesn't it? I'm going to shut this off. I'm going to let it set for just a few minutes, and then I'll see if I can get out a little bit to give you a taste test. So I'll be back in about 10 minutes. Okay, I have some in a dish here, see? And it's like major hot, but I'm going to try to get a little taste test. Oh my goodness. Absolutely delicious. I don't want to stop eating it, but I'm going to. This is going to be a wonderful dessert for dinner. Do give it a try. It was very, very simple. And it is very, very good. There you go. Tropical slow cooker dump cake. And I'll see you all again on Wednesday. We're going to be doing another craft day. But in the meantime, do enjoy this while you're watching your football games. And you will have a wonderful, put this in the afternoon, you'll have a wonderful dessert for dinner tonight. I have to show you one more thing before we go. These are, if I can get them over here, the Halloween treats that we got. You see them, the pop lollipops? Aren't they cute? And what I like about them, They're only 3 points. So if we have any leftovers, guess what? But in the meantime, do enjoy this tropical slow cook dump cake. It's delicious. And I'll see you on Wednesday. Until then, everybody stay safe, stay warm, stay dry, stay cool with whatever you need. Be kind to each other, and everybody play nice now. Love ya. Bye-bye.